Text 15. Hello. My name is Naomi. I live in Prague. I like Prague a lot because it is a very beautiful city. Prague. I also like the weather here. It isn't very cold or very hot. I am usually very busy. That's why I wake up very early. Busy. Busy. That's why. That's why. Early. Early. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I make my bed and go to the bathroom. I clean my teeth, have a shower, dry and brush my hair. Then I have breakfast at 6:30. I eat a sandwich and drink a cup of tea. Then I get dressed, kiss my mom and leave for school at 7:30. Cool. By bus. By bus. I go to school by bus. My school starts at 8 o'clock. I have lunch at school at 12 o'clock. After. But. After lunch, I have one more lesson. My school finishes at 2 o'clock. But I don't go home because I am always busy after school. To do ballet. To do ballet. I do ballet twice a week. I usually go to my ballet classes on Tuesday and Thursday. I like dancing a lot. To do taekwondo. I also do taekwondo twice a week, on Monday and Wednesday. Taekwondo makes my body strong. I like it. I think. Foreign languages. I study German on Tuesday and Friday. I think it is important to speak foreign languages. I am not busy on Saturday and Sunday. In my free time, I usually swim or ride a bicycle. In my free time. Bicycle. On weekdays, I usually come home at 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. At 6:30, I have dinner with all my family. Then I do my homework. On weekdays. With. In the evening, I relax. I usually watch TV, but sometimes I play with my friends. At 9 o'clock, I clean my teeth and have a shower. I go to bed at 9:30. Shh. Bye-bye. Ignore the difficulties. Focus on your success. Ignore the difficulties. Focus on your success.